Ever wondered how to turn your passion for current events into a source of income? Well, the world of Google News holds a wealth of opportunities for those savvy enough to tap into it. Google News is a news aggregator service developed by Google. It presents a continuous flow of articles from sources worldwide, making it a goldmine for those looking to make money online. But how does one go about converting this stream of information into a revenue stream? Firstly, it's crucial to understand that Google News operates on a unique set of algorithms, and tailoring your content to these algorithms is the first step to making money. The key here is to focus on original content. Google News prioritizes unique, original stories over rehashed content, so always strive to provide fresh perspectives in your articles. Secondly, create a website or blog where you can publish your articles. This serves as your platform to showcase your content to the world, and importantly, to Google News. Thirdly, apply for inclusion in Google News. Once your website is up and running with a good amount of original content, submit it to Google News for approval. Remember, Google is very selective about the sources it includes, so it's essential to maintain high standards of journalism. After you've been accepted into Google News, it's time to monetize your content. One effective way is through Google AdSense. AdSense is a program that allows you to run ads on your site and get paid when users interact with them. The more traffic your site garners, the more ad revenue you can earn. Another method is through affiliate marketing. By linking to products related to your news stories, you can earn a commission every time a reader makes a purchase through your link. Lastly, consider sponsored content. Businesses often pay good money for articles that promote their products or services, so long as these articles align with their brand image and values. So, making money with Google News involves creating original content, setting up a website, getting accepted by Google News, and then monetizing your site through AdSense, affiliate marketing, or sponsored content. Remember, the world of online entrepreneurship isn't for the faint-hearted. It requires perseverance, creativity, and a commitment to quality. But with these qualities in place, turning your passion for news into a profitable venture becomes entirely possible. In summary, making money with Google News is a process that involves creating unique content, getting your website approved by Google, and then using various methods to monetize your site. It's a journey that may require some time and effort, but the rewards can be well worth it. So why not step into the world of Google News and see where it can take you? You might just find that it's the perfect platform to turn your passion for news into a profitable endeavor.